G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the Maserati. I've just got her back after about 2 weeks having one of the most annoying things in Maserati, Ferrari, Lamborghini ownership, and that is the horrible sticky button syndrome. For those of you that don't know, it's a problem with the kind of soft touch coating that they applied to all of the switches. After a few years in the sun and heat, they start to go all sticky and horrible, and the only way to fix them is to strip it all off and redo it. And often that requires you to do new stenciling and new painting of the lettering on the buttons as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll show you everything that has been done. So we'll start down here with the parking brake and the ice button. This is for driving in ice. It starts the car in second gear, I think, but this was one of the worst buttons ever. You could literally leave your fingerprint in the goo on there. So that's been done. This cover for the cigarette lighter and ashtray is also notoriously bad for going horribly sticky, and again, nothing you can do. One of the most complex things to do is redoing all of the buttons on the HVAC control panel. These are annoying because when the surface coating starts to wear off, as soon as you start cleaning it, it actually starts cleaning the black coloring off, because what it is, it's actually white underneath and it's black applied on top of it to allow the white to show through. And so if you start cleaning it too hard with isopropyl or any of those kind of solvents, it will take the black off and it will just become this smudgy mess. So as you can see, all these buttons are now absolutely perfect. The other thing that needed doing were the bezels around the radio here. Oddly, the buttons on the radio don't go sticky, apart from the covers for these two knobs here. It's ridiculous, but there you go. Everything, the surround goes sticky, the center of the two buttons goes sticky, but the actual buttons themselves don't, for some bizarre reason, different kind of coating. So the other one obviously is this. Around here, this goes horribly sticky and can't be repaired. Just so annoying. And the same with these buttons down here. I've had these redone. This is a kind of shiny plastic coating, so that's not a problem, but the buttons inside go all sticky and horrible, so that's been done. Over on this side, another problem, just the same. This little control panel here goes horrible. All of this goes sticky. And it just means that every time you touch these buttons, it's just a bit gross. So I've still got a few little things to do. Actually, I forgot about these bits here in the middle of the steering wheel. They are yuck, and that's yuck, and these are yuck too. It's horrible. You can actually hear how sticky that is. So I've got to do those at a later stage, but I rarely use those buttons anyway. And to some extent, these kind of surrounds here also go sticky. It's the same kind of coating on those as around here. But again, it's not something you touch every day. Even the controls for the air vents and the air vents themselves have got a sticky coating on. But again, not important. It's not cheap to have done, but the radio and the air conditioning and these buttons were the most important thing. So the other really excellent thing that I had done at the same time was the addition of Apple CarPlay. Yes, you can get a modification for the existing appearance of the infotainment system, and I'll show you this. It's really clever. So as you can see, it looks completely standard. This is completely standard now, and if I just push the call button and hold it, you'll see it flicks into Apple CarPlay mode. And the amazing thing is that they put a transparent touchscreen membrane over the top. So this becomes a touchscreen where you can use it as a touchpad, just like you would if it was a genuine original CarPlay head unit. So that's absolutely fantastic. If you press and hold the button again, it flicks back to the standard screen and it looks completely normal. The only thing that's slightly different is that you can see the screen is a little bit shinier than it is normally because of that touchscreen membrane. But I, for one, am a real convert to the CarPlay system. This looks just so seamless and well integrated that I'm really happy with this. And as you know, those of you who've watched my videos on the SLK, I've got wireless CarPlay in my SLK, which I installed myself. Check the playlist, which I'll leave at the top of the screen now if you're interested in doing that particular job. So that's just about it for this video. Fantastic new buttons on the Maserati. Fantastic to have CarPlay and to have it look so original and unmodified, if you like, even though it's you know, they've had the whole dash out and rewired stuff at the back in order to make this work. So it's fantastic. I'll leave the details of the guy that does this in Sydney. He's a guy named Juraj, and he's based in Lane Cove West, and absolutely cannot recommend him highly enough. He did the buttons and the CarPlay all in one go, and really does feel like you're driving a new car when you've got all these beautiful buttons in your car after having suffered all that horrible sticky stuff. Let me know in the comments what you think of the CarPlay mod. It will do Android Auto as well. I haven't looked at the other menus. I mean, I think there's a few other options that it can do, but really I just wanted it for the CarPlay. Let me know what you think. And yeah, if you're interested in doing something like this, or you need sticky buttons fixed, just call Juraj in the description, and hopefully he'll be able to help you. All right, that's just about it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.